Let's dive into the world of digital marketing.
Digital marketing encompasses the strategic promotion of products and services through various online channels. Digital marketing is often compared to traditional marketing, such as magazine ads, billboards, and direct mail. The digital channels include search engines, social media, email, and websites. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing compelling content on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with your audience. Implementing search engine optimization techniques can improve your website's visibility and ranking in search engine results, ultimately boosting organic traffic to your website. Email marketing is a strategic approach to sending personalized messages to your target audience with the goal of engage audiences and driving sales on your websites. Content marketing is involved to focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and retain targeted audience. Start your digital marketing journey today and grow your business. Follow us for more tips.